Hello students, I hope you are all doing well and keeping safe at your home. This is Shreyoshi ma'am from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Kanchanapad. Let me show you a picture. Students, look at this picture and tell me what does this picture depict? Think. Yes, you all are right. This picture is about running. Here, a person is running. So students, running we all know is very helpful for our health. It is a form of exercise. It helps building strong muscles. It strengthens our bones and it also helps us maintaining healthy weight. And that's why you run different types of races under SBSP. And I know you all are missing running in the school playground these days. These are unfortunate times, dear students. We all are confined to our home. So today we are going to read a poem titled Run by Mary Daunt. In this poem, we will read about the poet who is tired of her city life and she wants to run away to different places as a measure of escaping from the city. So I hope you will enjoy reading the poem.
Students, now let us read the poem titled Run, given in your English textbook Marigold. The word run is an action word. In your day-to-day life, you must play many games that involve running. Here are names of certain games that involve running. These are red light, green light, shark and minnows, crisscross relay, land or water, crocodile, crocodile, which color do you want? Now, let us recite the poem Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away, away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. So let us now understand what does the poet want to say in this poem, Run. In the poem Run, the poet is a little child. She wants to run away from the hustle and bustle of city life to the countryside. Dear students, many a time you also feel, wish we could run away to certain hill station, wish we could run away to certain nice place where we didn't have to write any examinations, we didn't have to go to school. So here also the poet is tired of her city life and she wants to run away to the countryside. Countryside means rural part of the country. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. So here the poet says that she wants to run when the drops of rain fall. She wants to run under trees and she wants to run along with each little breeze that blows across the land. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. In this stanza, the poet says that she wants to run down the slope of the hill. She wants to run up the streets. She wants to run through a piece of grassland. Meadow, the word meadow means grassland, and run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. In the last stanza, the poet says that run and be happy The word merry means happy all through the day. At last, the poet again expresses a desire to run to the countryside, away, away. So, which are the places that the poet wants to run away to? She wants to run away from the city and into the sun. She wants to run out to the country. She wants to run in the raindrops, beneath the trees, and she wants to run with each little breeze. And then, where else the poet wants to run away? She wants to run down the hillside. She wants to run up the lane. She wants to run through the meadow. Okay, students? So, these are the places that the poet wants to run away to. And this poem is written by Mary Daunt. Mary Daunt, she is the poet. Now, in this poem, we have come across many new words. So, let us see what are these words and their meanings. Raindrops. Raindrops mean drops of rain. Then we have beneath. Beneath means at a lower level. At a lower level. See, here I have given a picture. Beneath this. This ball is beneath the box. This ball is beneath the box. Breeze. Breeze means a gentle wind. Hillside. The sloping side of the hill. Lane. A narrow road, especially in a rural area. Lane. Many of you must have visited many villages. There you might have seen small roads, narrow roads, which are probably made of wood. Sorry student, which are probably made of mud. So such narrow roads are called lane. Meadow. Meadow means a piece of grassland. See, here is a picture of meadow. Meadow. This is meadow, a piece of grassland. Merry. Merry means cheerful and lively. Merry means cheerful and lively. Away means to or a distance from a place. Now students, in this poem, we have also come across words which have EA and words which have EE. So students, here I have written two words which have appeared in the poem with EA. Beneath. Beneath. So here you can see EA, beneath. Then we have meadow. Meadow. Here you can say meadow, EA. Okay. Now we have words with EE. Trees. Trees, EE. Then we have breeze. Breeze, EE. EE. I have also listed down another set of words with EA and EE. So let us first read words with EA. Reap, reap, leap, fear, near, peak, peer. Now let us read words with EE. Keep, jeep, deep, peep, seed, feed. So I hope students you have enjoyed the poem and you have also written down words with EA and EE. You can also find many new words with EA and.
So students, just now we read a poem titled Run by Mary Daunt, and in this poem you have come to know that the poet wants to run away from the city. She wants to run away to the countryside. She wants to run in the raindrops, run under the sun. She wants to run across the meadow. So these are the places where the poets want to run away. And you also came to know of many new words that appeared in the poem, their meanings, and you have also come to know words with EE and EA. So there are list of words with EE and EA. I hope you all enjoyed reading the poem, and you will all practice forming sentences with new words and practice many words with EE and EA. I am sure you will come up with many more new words. Thank you, students. Keep learning, keep growing.